Well, today's episode is brought to you by the good people at Red Bull, who make this delicious blueberry nectar. Hopefully this will help me deal with things today. Well, we've got instructions, so should be a piece of cake. I know one thing I'm going to go ahead and do is put these on. Adam, quit that. Okay, so this handlebar is already damaged, which makes it a little bit easier to trim off for the handguards. Now, the other one's in good shape, so we'll have to trim it down. And the throttle's already trimmed back because it's broke, so that works out well. Do you know what they use hacksaws for? Cutting through metal? I'm going to cut your handlebars, make them about a foot shorter on each side. What do you think of that?
Just like a...
Oh, get out of the way. I'm just joking.
Oh.
We're going to trim off this little bit. Well, it would have been a cleaner job if this wouldn't have been ripped already. Alright, so let's put these on. Well, bam! Looks good, huh? Well, I got everything in place. It's just time to snug everything down. I had to take the brake cable off and move it underneath so I could get this up high enough. All that's left to do is tighten this up, and we'll have one done. Well, here's one done. Looks pretty good. Well, now I'm going to install the red ones on the Honda XR. And I'm just going to go ahead and put those on, and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. And there's a before. Well, and there's the completed Honda XR. Looks pretty good.